Hey there, it's Boots Owen here. This is the aftermath of the Dyson CR01 smash. Look at this machine. That's the fascia, that's the inner ring, circuit boards, cables, suspension springs. The yellow on the ground, the little bits, they're the paddles. Another suspension spring, the door, the fascia from the soap drawer, some sound dampenings over there, lots of bits of plastic. Oh dear, I'm exhausted. This machine went the whole 20 rounds. It deserves every medal it could get for longevity, and in the end the only thing that failed was the gearbox. Gearbox contra-rotator unit, that failed. Both motors, they'd still keep going. No problems there. They're still working. They look, the wiring's shocking, but they're still going. What kept happening was that the drum would slip out of gear, and so this would keep spinning, but it would disengage from the drum. And what that means is then that, or what I had to do then was stop it, start it again, and then eventually it just died completely. It's pretty much seized now. Let's take a look around the other side. Funnily enough, the top has stayed attached. Soap drawer, it's just hanging in there. We lost the ballast off the bottom. I'd already removed it off the top. It isn't live. I've plugged it out. So there's the contra-rotating drums, and just there before I went inside you can see that these are, the back one is about to rotate slightly from the other. Okay, there, they're both spinning together there. They're both spinning together now. Let's just plug it in again and see what happens. It might be dead. It might just pop out of gear again. Yeah, so that's it. It popped out of gear again there. You can see they're not spinning at the same speed. It's hopped out of gear again. Oh, it's a lot of dust. It's a lot of dust off it, and I think that's the corrosion from the spiders inside. Yikes, what a machine. I wonder now that it's had all that abuse, could I split the tub and have a look at the contra-rotation mechanism, have a look at the gearbox. I might do that for another video later on. Might be worth having a look at it. Look at the name there, even Dyson. This is one to get framed. Put this up on the wall somewhere as the longest destruction in this channel's history. Yikes. There's the motors there, holding on. So we lost the whole of the, well, most of the fascia. Look at the buckle in the side of that. It's completely buckled off. Look at the battering this has taken here. It's all smashed up. Look at the underside of it, completely smashed up. That back lip there on the metal, look at it, it's pounded out of shape. That's where the motors have kept bashing away in there. Lost that sound insulation there. We haven't done so bad upside there. Lost all 4 shockers. Like, they didn't just break, they completely snapped off. You know, normally these things, they just break off at the bottom or the top, but these just completely smashed off. Lost the suspension springs. They're lying on the floor around me. But the solid unit inside, if it wasn't for Dyson's corrosion-filled drums, this machine could have been a success. This is durable beyond belief. Don't know if 2 motors had anything to do with it, but that's a piece of engineering, that is. Wow, what a machine. This is excellent. Got a lot of editing to do. Yikes. Look at this. Shocking. Shocking! Thanks for watching. See you later.